Imaging of the body organs has become increasingly important. Imaging of coronary arteries especially has been a very important aspect in making diagnosis. To the ICT 256 slice, 3.5 months of our experience since we have installed in Vijayawada in our center. We have done over 900 CT scans, out of which almost 50% are coronary CT angios and almost 430 patients. And some of the patients, about almost close to 50, we have done even invasive angiogram. And then we have compared, and we found the comparison as far as the lesion severity is concerned compared to the invasive angiogram, especially when the heart rates are less than 70, 75, we could see that almost it compares with the invasive angiogram. With the more and more applications like CT FFR coming in, and then the dual energy scans, and then its applications in other departments like neurology for brain perfusion, acute CVA management. Now with the intelligent dose technology, we could see that even with 1.5 to 2 MSVs, we could get a very good resolution, especially for the CTCA. Another very important role of this ICT is its application in pediatric cardiology. So contrast also you can cut down by almost 50% with this, especially useful in chronic kidney disease patients, or when you want to take up the patient immediately for invasive angio and interventions also. So giving a lesser dose contrast in this is also going to be a very helpful aspect. With this ICT 256, now we are becoming increasingly confident to subject more number of patients as an initial screening tool, so that we can plan better. So to length of the lesion, to plan the procedure, retrograde, antegrade, opening of the vessels. So knowing the coronary anatomy, anomalies, and the length of the lesions, and the magnitude and the degree of stenosis and the plaque burden, definitely the line of management, what we can really choose, and the type of these interventions, and staged procedure or a single procedure or a hybrid technique to go for a surgical procedure. So all this information we can definitely get a better information, and probably time will come when a good number of patients will be operated only with this CT angio, and invasive angio being reserved for only certain cases and wherein we plan for angioplasty.
When we saw the accuracy, what we call it, specificity and sensitivity of coronary angiogram and the CT angio, both are quite comparable. I have operated 2 patients just on the basis of coronary CT. One patient had the left main problem, and the left main was not properly profiled in coronary angiogram. Then we thought that we should get the CT done, and in that CT we found that there was a lesion on the right side, and I operated that patient. Then there was another girl, 15 years old girl, presented to us with pulmonary embolism. It was a massive pulmonary embolism. This 256 slice CT gave us such a good picture that I immediately took the patient for emergency surgery, and we did the thrombectomy. It was a life-saving on both sides, the right side as well as the left side of the lung.
And I've been working for the last 3 months on this imaging, especially for the I-256 CT for neurology imaging. The most advantages in this is 1 minute scan, less than a minute. One, the radiation exposure is less, and the brain perfusion imaging is most important to see what is the salvageable tissue in the brain for a stroke. So for that purpose, it serves better than MR imaging, especially for the diffusion-perfusion mismatch that can be clearly seen, and objective-based evidence before and after the treatment with the tissue plasminogen activator, as well as for the angio concern. CT angio of the brain and the neck vessels have critical importance because of its objective evidence which we can see in our hand, especially for the stenosis and the aneurysms in the brain, which serves better, especially for the stroke. Within 3 hours and to 6 hours, maximum 5 hours, we can give the treatment based on the CT perfusion and the perfusion diffusion mismatch, which we can save the tissue in the brain. Early treatment initiates a better quality of the life in future. And the I-256 gives us the exact even 2 mm aneurysms can be picked up early in this imaging.
The present CT scanner which we have is a 256 slice CT scanner, which is the fastest in the world, and we can just do the scans faster with a better resolution and better speed and less radiation and with less contrast. So we can scan the heart in just 2 heartbeats or in just 2 seconds otherwise, and it covers 8 centimeters of the patient. If in this 256 scanner, coronary angio can be done in just 4 millisievert. And similarly, the whole body can be covered in just 5 seconds. It is a whole body CT scanner. We can do the whole body angio applications, and we can do the cerebral angio, pulmonary angio, peripheral angio, renal angio, and also for chest pain of indeterminate origin, or when you are not sure of what is the cause for chest pain, you can do the triple rule out protocol, where you can do the pulmonary angio, aortic angio and the thoracic angio in a single scan and with less radiation and less contrast. It is the best modality available today compared to 64 slice or other slice where more radiation is involved and also more contrast is involved and longer times of scans are involved.